Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook eggplant egg. First, select a beautiful, firm eggplant, ideally weighing around 1 pound. Slice it into uniform half-inch rounds. This ensures even cooking and a delightful texture. Next, generously salt both sides of each slice and let them rest for about 30 minutes. This crucial step draws out excess moisture and any potential bitterness, making your eggplant incredibly tender and flavorful. Remember to pat them completely dry before moving on. Now let's get our breading station ready for that perfect crispy coating. You'll need 3 shallow dishes. In the first, whisk together 2 large eggs with a splash of milk or water. This creates a lovely binder. The second dish will hold 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Finally, in the third dish, combine 1 cup of your favorite breadcrumbs with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and perhaps some garlic powder or dried herbs for extra flavor. This 3-step process ensures a golden, crunchy exterior. With your eggplant breaded, it's time to achieve that irresistible golden crispness. Heat about 1 inch of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat. Aim for a temperature of around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few breaded eggplant slices into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Transfer the cooked slices to a wire rack to drain any excess oil. Now for the egg part of our eggplant egg dish. Once your fried eggplant slices are ready, top each one with a generous spoonful of your favorite marinara sauce. Then, carefully crack 1 small egg directly onto the sauce-covered eggplant. Transfer these to a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes, or until the egg whites are set and the yolk is still slightly runny. Garnish with fresh basil or grated Parmesan cheese for a delightful finish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.